హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ అండ్ ప్రజెంట్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్న గెస్ట్ స్ట్రీట్ లైట్ ఆల్రెడీ మీరు ట్రైలర్ చూసే ఉంటారు. ఆ ట్రైలర్ తోటి వేడి పుట్టించిన హీరోయిన్ తానియా దేశాయ్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. మరి స్ట్రీట్ లైట్ సినిమా యొక్క విశేషాలు ఆమెను అడిగి తెలుసుకున్నాం. హాయ్ తానియా,
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
యా గుడ్. ఐ థింక్ యూ వాచ్డ్ దిస్ ట్రైలర్.
Yes.
ట్రైలర్ చూసే ఉంటారు.
Yes.
ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది ట్రైలర్ చూసిన తర్వాత?
I'm feeling very good. I love the teaser. It is amazing. You tell me, you saw it? How you are liking it?
It's very hard.
It is very hard.
అంటే నాకు తెలుసు, బట్ మీరే ఆ ట్రైలర్ చూసిన తర్వాత మీ రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి?
My reaction is very good because I knew that these scenes will be there in the film. But I am liking the public people's response also, and I love the teaser. It's amazing.
ఏంటి అసలు స్ట్రీట్ లైట్? జస్ట్ మామూలుగా మనం రెగ్యులర్గా రోడ్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది కదా స్ట్రీట్ లైట్, అంటే ఏంటి అసలు ఈ కథ ఏంటి? అసలు స్ట్రీట్ లైట్ దేని గురించి ఉంది కథ?
Street light. So the story is down the street light only. So our 70% film we shot on the street light only. So it's the basic story. What happens on the street, like after 9 or 10 p.m. in the night, what is happening on the street in the dark. So story is about that.
ఇప్పుడు మీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఏంటి అసలు? మామూలుగా అంటే హర్రర్ టైప్ అనుకోవచ్చు?
No, it's not at all horror type. It's a proper murder mystery story, suspense thriller, romantic suspense thriller.
ఓకే.
Yeah, there. My character.
యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్.
My character is I am playing a very mass girl in the film, very mass, and at the same time I'm playing a strong girl who is a lawyer, a criminal lawyer. Yeah.
బట్ ట్రైలర్లో చూస్తే అంటే మామూలుగా చాలా బోల్డ్గా రఫ్గా ఉన్నారు కదా, రఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది. అంటే ఈ సినిమాకి అంత రఫ్నెస్ లేకపోతే అంత బోల్డ్నెస్ అవసరమా? ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ వరకు ఈ సినిమాకి అవసరమా?
Actually the story Street Light, the whatever scenes are there, the bold scenes and the exposure will be there because the storyline is like that. It is just this teaser we showed everything, the bold scenes and hot scenes and sex scenes, everything is there, but this is what our story needs. The Street Light is the story where everything is there. See what happens after 9, 10, 11 p.m. On the roads. People are coming, they're chasing girls, they're teasing them. Sometimes rape happens, sometimes other things occurs. The story is about that. So my character is I am playing two shades in the film. One is a mass girl. Everyone knows. Everyone will think that I am a girl who drinks a lot, who play with guys, who's drinking on the roads, dancing on the roads. I'm doing everything. But at the same time, I am planning. My plan is to take a revenge from a guy. So that's my part in
Revenge
the film.
story.
Revenge story.
Okay.
Murder mystery.
And working with director
Now Vishwa sir, he is amazing. So this is my first film here in Telugu and it's going to be my debut film. But I'm not feeling that I'm working here for the first time because of my director, my producer, the entire team, everyone was so good, superb.
ఓన్లీ అతను స్టోరీ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం మీకు నరేట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది? అంటే మీకు ఇలా ఇంత బోల్డ్ ఉంటుంది మూవీ అండ్ మీరు రాగా ఉండాలి ఈ మూవీలో, ఇంటిమసీ సీన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి ఈ మూవీలో అన్నప్పుడు మీ రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి? వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్?
I actually love the storyline of the movie. That's why I said yes for the film because it has the meaning. The story Street Light. First of all, the Street Light title is so amazing. It's so catchy. So I love the title. And then story has the meaning itself. We are giving a message to young generation, to girls, to the boys who are doing for boys who are doing all those things, and for the girls, like, you should be strong and we have to strong. So that's the message. I love the message in the film.
What do you learn from your director
Vishwa sir? He is very punctual. He know what he wants and he just take it. No matter what is happening around him, like he know what his point of view is and he is very much punctual and regular for that.
Who selected you for this movie? मतलब किसका suggestion है, कैसा आया मूवी में?
It is Srinivas sir's producer sir's decision. So I knew him from like 3-4 years back in Mumbai, and from that time I knew him. And one fine day he called me for this film, and he told me the story. मैंने proper audition ऐसे कुछ नहीं हुआ था. He just saw my pictures like 3-4 years back. I met him. तभी थोड़ा सा audition हुआ था. उसके बाद कभी कुछ नहीं.
Okay.
Yeah.
प्रोड्यूसर से वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस कैसा?
और
आप 3 years से पहले से आपको మీకు తెలుసు ప్రొడ్యూసర్ తెలిసి ఉంటారు. ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే ప్రొడ్యూసర్ శ్రీనివాస్ గారి జర్నీ ఎలా ఉంది?
He is an amazing guy. He is outstanding. I have never seen such down to earth person, like the person he is. He knows everything. He knows everyone. He has done such movies, great films, and everything he knows. But I have never seen a person who's so down to earth. You know, actually, I am taking all these things from him and from Vishwa sir. They are so down to earth, and I love that. I have only met him once, and then I actually forgot that I have met Srinivas sir. And then he called me, and then he narrated me the story. I said yes, and after that he was so good to me during the shoot. For the food, for the small things, he was taking care of everything. He's so good. Amazing.
మామూలుగా అంటే తెలుగులో సినిమా ఆఫర్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి చేసేసారా, లేకపోతే లేదు నాకు ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ నచ్చి ఈ స్టోరీ నచ్చింది కాబట్టి చేశారా?
इसको
मतलब आप what made you to choose this
story,
especially this movie?
Street
मतलब
Light.
कुछ स्टोरी पसंद आया, नहीं तो मेरे को एक ऑफर आया, मतलब ये ऑफर आया इसलिए मैं करना, नहीं तो श्रीनिवास सर मेरे को फ्रेंड है
इसलिए
उसके लिए मैं मूवी करना, ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं, रीज़न ये है ये मूवी करने का. मुझे इससे भी पहले यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे ऑफर्स आए थे फिल्मों के लिए, आते ही रहते हैं. लेकिन ये फिल्म आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू डू अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल्स. द रोल शुड बी प्रोमिनेंट इन द फिल्म, ताकि लोग अगर देखें तो उनको समझ में आए कि लड़की में बात है, लड़की परफॉर्मेंस कर सकती है या अच्छा एक्ट कर सकती है. तो दिस फिल्म हैज़ अ लॉट टू परफॉर्म. तो ये फिल्म मुझे इसीलिए अच्छी लगी क्योंकि इसमें अब मेरा टैलेंट दिखाने के लिए मुझे बहुत स्कोप मिला. तो इसलिए मैंने इस फिल्म के लिए हाँ बोला.
और विनोद सर से आप एक्टिंग किए
जी.
कितने सीन्स है ये मूवी में?
विनोद सर के साथ काफ़ी सीन्स हैं. एक पूरा हमारा क्लाइमैक्स मेरा विनोद सर के साथ में ही है. ही इज़ एन आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्टर. अगेन ही इज़ वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ. ही वॉज ट्रांसलेटिंग माई डायलॉग्स टू मी इन इंग्लिश. ही इज़ वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
बहुत सीनियर एक्टर,
बहुत ही सीनियर हैं, एंड आई फील ग्रेटफुल दैट आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क विद हिम. Earlier I didn't knew that earlier as in before the film. So when I reached to the set, sir told me that Vinod sir have done this much. Then I knew about him, and I feel he's so down. I mean he don't show that he is that much big actor. That is the quality in him.
And మామూలు యాక్టింగ్ లో ఏదైనా సజెషన్స్ కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే మీరు క్లైమాక్స్ షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇలా కాదు ఇలా చేయమని ఇలాంటి ఏమైనా సజెషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు?
Suggestion as in
did he give any suggestions?
it's so many suggestions he gave me that say this dialogue like this, like that. He was so helpful entire the shoot.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Dhanraj?
Dhanraj sir, I mean he make you. I didn't have so much scenes. Only one scene I had with him, and that he make people laugh around you. You can never stop laughing. Chitram Shrinu sir. I never this Shakalaka Shankar sir, उनके साथ कोई सीन नहीं था, but he is so amazing. I've seen him shooting.
Okay.
So amazing the way he danced, it's outstanding.
Okay. Only సినిమాల్లో రావాలి అని మీకు అంటే చిన్నప్పటి నుండి ఉండిందా, లేకపోతే మధ్యలో ఏమన్నా స్టడీ అప్పుడు ఈ ఆలోచన వచ్చిందా? అంటే మూవీస్ లో రావడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటి?
To come into the cinema, my main reason. So I was a dancer before. I started my career as a dancer. I did so many events, shows, then I did reality shows. I said in my earlier interview also, I did one reality show here, Adrush, that I have done. So after that, it was actually accidentally I came into acting. I always wanted to be an actor, but I
From
never.
childhood only?
Not from childhood, from like in 9th 8th class, but I never did any planning to do it. So I was into dance, and then one fine day there was a film shooting happening, and then their main lead got replaced. So I got the role of main lead sister in the film, and the film was good. The big actor, Hindi film it was. From there I started. Like I shifted to Mumbai. I planned to do acting like proper.
వాళ్ళ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఎప్పుడు వచ్చారు అంటే ఏ ఏ ఇయర్ లో వచ్చారు
In Telugu.
నో ఇన్ హిందీ ఆల్సో
In
విచ్
I started acting in 2014.
14
Yeah, 14 May I came to Mumbai.
5 years
5 years ago. Yes.
5 years में कितने मूवीज करे आप
I have done one web series जो अभी recently release हुई है, Crackdown Wood Select पर. Apurva Lakhia directed it. And मैंने एक तमिल वेब सीरीज़ की है Godman, which had a huge controversy. उसके अलावा मेरी एक अभी रिसेंट फिल्म आने वाली है. It's a short film for Cannes Film Festival.
ओके
और एक और हिंदी फिल्म है जो अभी रिलीज होने वाली है.
movies both I think one or two you did one or two movies
I did 1-2 movies. Before that I was into TV, Hindi TV. Yeah.
I think you were busy there.
I was
Because
shooting.
You did, only limited movies.
Limited movies. I got offers, I get offers, but I don't do everything, you know. I am okay with the roles. Like if there is a strong role, I'll do it. But that should be the strong role. Performance. Like I want to play roles like Radhika Apte, like Anushka Shetty here. I love her. Like Vidya Balan ma'am. I love them.
ఓకే మళ్ళీ యాక్టింగ్లో ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అంటే ఎవరు మన తెలుగులో యాక్టింగ్లో ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అంటే ఎవరు
Who is my
యువర్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ యాక్ట్రెస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు
in Telugu? Anushka Shetty.
అనుష్క
I love her. She is like my inspiration here.
అంటే ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు ఆమె యాక్టింగ్ చూసి
She actually, Anushka Shetty ma'am, Ramya Krishnan ma'am, they're amazing.
amazing.
Yeah, I've seen her almost all films, Super, Dawn, then other movies, Bahubali, all the movies I've seen.
कभी इमिटेशन किया मैडम का डायलॉग
मैं नहीं, कभी नहीं किया. उनको ऐसे उनको वो करना ही मेरे को लगता है कि कभी उनके साथ काम करने को मिल जाए या उनको देखने को मिल जाए. Yeah.
ఓకే వాళ్ళు ఈ మూవీలో చాలా బోల్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఐ థింక్ ఓన్లీ నార్త్ ఇండియన్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ డేర్ టు डू दिस काइंड ऑफ
Roles, yeah.
मतलब आप क्या कुछ डिफिकल्टीज कुछ नहीं फेस किया क्या ऐसा सीन्स कर रहा हूँ मैं क्या ऐसा कैसा रहता इन फ्यूचर मतलब करियर कैसा रहता है
Difficulties तो देखो आप, I think you as an actor we will face, and we always face those kind of criticism, sometimes from the public, sometimes from the people in your family, your friends. They always criticize you, but it's up to you how you are taking it. You know, I am in this business, I'm in show business, I have to act, I have to do bold scenes if I want. So my thing is, I am an actor, I should do it. If the story is good, I will do it. But we should not affect from people. What people are saying, it's their choice. If they're liking us, they're liking us. If they're not liking us, it's their choice. We cannot
you are not bother about
bother. I don't get bothered.
मतलब you are not at all thinking about this.
I am not thinking. See, I know when Streetlight will get released, some people will like it, some people maybe not like it, but we have to focus who are liking it, you know, and we should always work on good thing. For the
మామూలుగా మీరు ఇలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్ చేస్తే ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో కూడా మీకు ఇలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్న మూవీ ఆఫర్స్ వస్తాయి కదా
if I'll do it or not, this kind of character.
If you do this kind of characters in future also, you will get the same kind of characters only, I think so.
I think it is not there because people say, and everybody says, I've heard it, that you get typecast when you do these kind of characters. But I think no, it is not like that. It is always depends on your performance, what kind of performance you're doing. So I think I have given a very good performance, as like in my point of view, and people will take me as a good performer, and then they will cast me for the other movie.
Okay. Now, what was your parents or relatives' reaction after seeing this trailer?
So today morning I spoke to my mama, and she was like, okay, I saw the teaser, I liked it. And she was like, you did that role, that white shirt mein, you were that role, okay, that scene. I was like, okay mama, this is what the, so she understood, and she said that now people are you are in this business, you're in acting, you have to do it, and people are liking it, you know. When the story is good, people will definitely appreciate you. So I am okay with that, and she was very much okay.
Okay. Which kind of characters you want to play in your career or in your life?
I would love to play like biopic में अभी राम्या कृष्णन मैम का एक वो आया था क्वीन वेब सीरीज,
Queen.
that kind of
It is coming as Kangana Ranaut.
the Jayalalitha Talaivi, yeah,
Talaivi.
on Jayalalitha ma'am. So I would love to play that kind of roles, and Radhika Apte there, here Anushka Shetty ma'am. I like that film. There was a film of Samantha, Deluxe. That kind of role I would love to play.
Okay. Yeah, you worked in Bollywood, Tamil and Telugu.
Yes.
What difference you find in both three industries?
Industries, I think there's no such difference, but I think
बॉलीवुड में कैसा रहता है या पे टॉलीवुड में कैसा रहता
Bollywood में there's no such difference, I think, but मुझे ऐसा लगता, I find that people here are very like I say punctuality, people here are more punctual, not in terms of actors or everything, like people here are more punctual.
है అంటే మీరు యాక్టింగ్ వచ్చే ముందే మీరు అనుకొని ఉంటారు కదా, నా ఫిలిం ఫ్యామిలీ ఆడియన్స్ కూడా వచ్చి చూడాలి అని, అలాంటివి అనుకున్నారా?
I think yes, this film is proper family type film. People
ట్రైలర్ లో అలాంటి ఇంటిమసీ సీన్స్ పెట్టిన తర్వాత
I think-
ఫ్యామిలీ ఆడియన్స్ వచ్చి థియేటర్ లో కూర్చొని సినిమా చూస్తారు.
I think these scenes are very normal. I mean, in my film, this in Street Light, the scenes are very normal. It is, you see the other films, there are more exposure, there are more bold and hot scenes in the film. So our film, it's the storyline. See, you've seen the teaser, now you'll see the trailer. Trailer mein it will be a different story. So it's a story based film, and definitely family can watch it.
అంటే మీరు అన్నట్టు ఓకే ఇతర సినిమాల్లో హాట్ సీన్స్ ఉంటాయి, బట్ మీరు ఇందులో చూపించినట్టు వైట్ సెట్ లో ఒక సీన్ ఉంది చూసారు, అలాంటి సీన్స్ ఉంటే ఫ్యామిలీ ఆడియన్స్ కంఫర్టబుల్.
I think now the generation is the abhi ke generation mein people should be feel comfortable. It's normal scene, I guess. It's very normal. Yeah.
I think for you only it's a normal. For family audience, maybe some difficult.
See, there are two kind of people. See, one, see, if I go with my mother and my mother ka mother, they might not like it. But today's generation, they will feel okay with this kind of scenes.
Okay.
So it's always like few people will like it and few people will not like it.
Okay. So what difficulties you faced during this shoot period? I think it's a low budget movie. Actually, low budget movies are always difficulties. అంటే కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలంటే చాలా కష్టపడాలి.
Shoot, during the shoot, you're asking.
What challenges you faced?
First of all, I would say there's no, I mean, it is like low budget film or high budget film. It's not like that. Films are never low budget and high budget. Film is film. Second, if the production is good, if the team is good, if you have a good bunch of people, then it makes everyone's life, good. So I didn't had any difficulties. I felt very good on the set, and I think not me, every actor was like good there. We were good. We never faced any difficulties. I mean, we even didn't compromise with even a single scene on the set. Not with the dress. There was a story. Okay, what happened? So I had my first scene, and my costume was little unfit. So sir, my producer and director said, they said we'll not shoot today. So we shot next day for the costume. The new costume came, then I wore it, then we did the shoot.
You did fights also, right?
Yeah, I did the fight.
How was that? Do you have any practice?
I would say that fight ke liye I had a little difficulty because that was my first time, and I shot like we took 10-15 takes for that particular scene.
Only for fights.
Yeah, for only for fight scene.
मतलब इसके पहले आपको प्रैक्टिस नहीं है क्या?
Fight नहीं, उससे पहले इतना नहीं था, but then the fight scene came very good. So I loved it.
अच्छा है मतलब.
Yeah.
Okay. And వాళ్ళ తెలుగు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఐ థింక్ చాలా మంది హీరోస్ ఉన్నారు. మీ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్ అంటే ఎవరు?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun, sir.
Allu Arjun.
Yes, the way he act, the way his action, the way he dance, his style icon. I mean, he's so amazing.
Okay. अभी रिसेंटली एक टीजर आया.
Teaser,
First look आया.
हाँ जी, Pushpa. Yeah. He is looking outstanding in the film. Yeah. I just love him.
If you get a chance to act with him, what was your feeling at that moment?
Act, this is like I will feel out of the world at that time. I would love to meet him once. You know, I'll just hug him.
మామూలుగా ఒక సినిమా మీరు ఓకే చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఏమేమి చూస్తారు అందులో? అంటే లైక్ కాస్టింగా, లైక్ స్టోరీ లైనా, డైరెక్టరా, ప్రొడక్షన్ హౌస్, వాట్ యు చూస్? See actually.
First, if I'm going for a film, I would choose a story. I'll first go for a story, and then I will see who is directing it, which production is directing it. First, I'll look for a story. If the story is good, I'll go with anyone. If the story is, because I strongly and firmly believe, if the story is good, your film will work.
Okay.
Yeah.
లాస్ట్ అండ్ ఫైనల్ ఈ మూవీ గురించి మా ఆడియన్స్ కి
You saw the teaser, everyone saw the teaser. I think people are liking it and will come up with the trailer very soon and the release very soon. We have worked hard, the entire team have worked hard for the film. I wish and I want people will like it, and we need your support, we need your blessing. Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ తన్య. హోప్ సో ఈ మూవీ సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఇంకా తెలుగులో మరిన్ని మూవీస్ చేయాలని అయితే నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you so much.